Okay, so today is December 6th, 2013. We are at the end of the day here, harvesting the olives, and I want to show you how we close the nets at the end of the day and how we clean the leaves out of the olives and such. So I'm gonna sit at the side here.
Hello, America.
Yes, boys.
Hello.
Hello, boys.
Назев Мелес. Назев Мелес, я tu Vasilis. Stamatacos, postul.
No. Okay, so
Vasiline, calo pedi. America, calo, hello.
So they grab the nets from one side, they pull the olives in the center, and then they grab the net on the other side. And we do that, so we put everything in the middle of the net.
Autismas in America. Hello. America. Ronia Pola. Verkete irtazi.
Okay, so now they're in the center of the net, and we're gonna bring that tool that you see there in the distance, and we're going to shake the olives off the net.